So hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be showing you how to add a contact from your Canva website. How to add how you can add Canva website. If you're building a website on Canva and want to make sure your viewers can get in touch with you easily, this is the video you need. So let's dive in, but make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. Alright, so first things first, you have to go ahead and open up your Canva website. Here you can see this canva.com. I have already got mine open here, as you can see, and we are ready to make some changes. If you have not started creating your website yet, check out my other videos where I walked you through creating one from scratch. So once you are in, you will need to click on edit design. This takes you to the editing interface where you can make all your changes. For example, let's search for website, and we'll get your bunch of your templates. So for example, I'm just gonna show you with this one for today. So as you can see, this is the website template fully. In previous videos I showed you how you can make a complete website theme using Canva. So today I'm not going to show you that option. Now that we're in the editing mode, let's make some space for our contact form. For that we need to add a new page. We are going to add our contact US page here. Okay, you can do this by clicking on to the bottom of your design. Like, we can add this at this bottom side. So I'm just going to add a blank page as I just added. So no, I'm just gonna go with this one. Okay, and now let's get started ahead. So first of all, as you can see, the third option here, add a text option. Tap on it. Here you can see this option, text, the third option. Okay, so after tapping on it, you can tap onto add a box if you want to add your contact US from in short. For me, I'm gonna just tap onto this, add a heading, because I want viewers to see the contact US from easily. So let's get started. Now I will be click on some text. I'll write some text like contact us. So let me type it. So this text, now that if you want to edit the text here, you can resize it. If you want, you can make it smaller or larger. For me, this one is perfect. Now if you want to change the color of it, you can go here and change its color right here. So now if you want to change the font, you can go to this side here and choose the font you want to add. So this is perfect. And if you want to make it like this, choose the text, you can make it this and this. So I'll choosing this one because this is the perfect one. Okay, let me choose the text first, then this one. This is perfect. Okay, so now we have got our page ready for the form. Now let's add a image here. For that, I'll just use a random image, and if you want to know how to add image, I already made a video, but today I will show you again. You can see this option called upload. Tap onto this, and from there you can see this option called upload files. You have to tap onto upload files, and after clicking on upload files, you can browse your file from here. Just choose a random pic. Just choose a pic that you want to add. For me, I would love to choose this one, and then drag and resize it as your wish. As you can see, this is how you can resize it. So okay, let me make the text whiter because this will be much better. Now you have to choose a form tool. So now let's get into the fun part, adding the actual form. There are a couple of tools we can use here, but for this tutorial I will be using this site called Jot Form. You can also use Google Form if you want. So let's visit this site. It's super easy and free to use, plus it integrates seamlessly with Canva. But if you prefer, you can always go with the Google Forms for this same process. Now let's start it. To get started, you have to head over to the job form. Now you have to enter your website name, your organization name, your job title, and your industry. Then you can finish. For now, I'm just gonna click here. If you're working with a team, you can tap on to create team, and if you're working as an individual, you can tap on to create label, and then you can create a label name here, and then you can continue. Okay, now let's create a form. At the top left corner here, you can see this option called create. Tap onto this, and from there you can see this option form. You can also make create AI agent, workflow, app, e-sign, table, report, board. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna go with the form. Now we can start creating a form from the scratch. So I will show you how you can do this. Tap onto the start from scratch option. Now you can choose classic form or card form. For me, I will be not using this one. I'll be using classic form, and from there you can use it easily. Now let me show you how to do it in a simpler way. You can use these templates here. Okay, this is much more easier. For me, I'm going to choose this one template. No, this is not the perfect template. Let's choose other one. For okay, the first one is perfect. Now tap on to use template. So after you tap on to use template, you will be redirected to this site. And now if you want to preview it, you can just tap onto this at the top right corner, preview from, and from there you can preview it. Okay, that how will it will look. This is phone site, this is tablet site. Okay, now let's exit the preview form. Now let me show you how you can actually customize this. If you want to edit the text, then double click on them, then you can backspace and delete them. Now you have to add your custom text here, which you want to add. You can add text for every single one using the same process. Okay, now let me show you how you can customize them. Choose one, then tap onto the settings option, and from there you can see general options. If you want it to right, it will be right. If you want it left, it could be left. And if you want it in the top as the perfect one, this is the perfect one. Okay, now tap on it. There's other options here. You can see if you want to add country, you can add country. If you want to add American like states, you can add states. It is like the same as American or Canadian states. They have, these are for the states, but I will go with the text box. That one is the perfect. I don't want country for now, so I'm just not gonna choose that one. So as you can see, this is how you can create a form. Okay, and if you want to edit this submit text, you can also do it by simply click on it. Okay, now you can edit it. Now after that, you have created a form. You have to go and tap on to publish. So from there you can copy the link of your form from here. Also you can customize it if you wish to. Okay, you can also tap onto this embed. It can connect you to the other WordPress like these sources. So now you have to go to your published. After publishing the form, you can choose the option called quick share, and also you can tap the publish tab under the embed option here. So now head back to your Canva website. Here you can see now on the left hand sidebar you'll see an option for embed. Just simply search for embed here. Okay, and you'll find some embed. Oh sorry, I'm in the sorry I'm the upload. I was in the upload form. Okay, just search for embed, and we'll find a bunch of elements. Now choose one. I'm gonna just choose a free one. Okay, which was okay. This is just a random one. I'm just gonna show you. Now let me show you how you can add this jot form link to your Canva website. Now right click on the text or on the image you want to add, then tap onto this, link. You can also press Ctrl plus K in order to add them. Now you have to paste your form link and then tap done. Now whenever someone clicks this image, or you can see embed link, they will be redirected to the form. You can also add this exactly to your any text. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Just tap the text you want to add, then right click on it, then follow the same steps like this, and then paste your link. And whenever someone touches this link, they will be redirected to contact us page. So this is it. Now if you want to upload it to your website, tap onto publish website at this top right corner, then you have to paste your website URL. So this is how you can upload it to your website. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video, and if you have any question, comment down below.